Hey guys, do you want your videos to look crystal clear, vibrant, and professional? Imagine turning this
just like the rest of you
into this. Using VideoProc Converter AI.
I am better.
All right, let's get started. First, we'll open VideoProc Converter AI. You'll notice there are a ton of other built-in features. Click Super Resolution. We'll choose the AI model and the settings that work for our clip. Import your clip, choose your settings. Then, just click on Run and let the AI do its job. Export time will depend on your GPU or CPU.
Diffusion. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. Diffusion. I'm stronger. I'm smarter.
Download link is in the description below.